Hello everyone! Today we'll show you how to make edible slime. Yum! Hey there! And here is Mike. Wow! And with a gift! It's for me? No? Aw. It's a giant gummy bear. Wow! He wants my opinion. It's for his little cousin. Yes, I think it's really cool. Okay, bye! Too bad. I would have loved to receive that gift. Anyway, this has given me an idea. I will place an order. Hi again, my order has arrived. Gummy bears! I knew she could not resist them. Okay, enough. Well, I also need to do a quality test. Okay, for our recipe we'll need only 3 ingredients and small candies. Let's start by separating the bears into 3 bowls, sorted by color. This one, I'm gonna eat it. You're not allowed. Okay, now let's melt them in the microwave. There. Then just add some icing sugar and mix well. If it's still sticky, you have to put a little more icing sugar. We finish with the fingers. Wow, it stretches well. It looks yummy, but we won't taste it just yet. Now add a few drops of oil to prevent the slime from hardening. And we finish with some little candies for added texture. Wow, it's so pretty! There you go, a slime sandwich. Hey! So, what do you think? Delicious! Until next time, bye-bye! Today the sun is shining. The perfect weather to work on my tan. Awesome, my sister is already here. I knew we would have the same idea. Ooh, she fell asleep. Shh! Boo! Got you! Let's see, how about we make temporary tan tattoos? The sun is perfect. Yeah, super! Let's go! Okay, so here's how to create a temporary tattoo using a felt eyeliner. First, draw the pattern of your choice. Can you guess what I'm going to draw? A beautiful heart, obviously. It's simple but so pretty. To keep your drawing a few days, apply a translucent powder or talc powder on it. Then use hairspray. Spray in a thin layer on the drawing to seal it well. All that is left to do is to remove the excess, and that's it. This tattoo will last for 2 to 3 days. Now, to turn it into a tan tattoo. Nothing more simple. Put some sunscreen in an empty glue container like this one. The application will be more precise to fill in the pattern with the cream. Once it's done, just let the sun do the work. Ready? Let's go! The sun is great, but don't forget to apply sunscreen, especially on your face, before going outside to avoid sunburn. Repeat every day for 30 minutes maximum to get a beautiful tan increasingly dark. A week of sunshine later, here is the result. Beautiful, well-defined tan tattoos. Wow, I love how it looks. That's great. Hey, do you know glitter tattoos? Oh yes, they're great. In this kit, we have several glitter colors and different patterns. My sister chose a funny hippo. Which one should I choose between these two? This one or that one? Okay, let's go with the sun. We apply the stencil, then the cosmetic glue. And finally, glitter. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Wow! Okay, time for the hippo. I added a small self-adhesive black stone to make an eye. That's it! Wow! So cute! And you? Which of these tattoos do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. Bye! See you next time! Today the weather is nice out, so how about playing sports with my little sister? What do you think of a badminton game? Well, of course she always finds a reason not to play sports, but this time I planned it ahead. I bought us new clothes for the occasion, so no excuse. Not bad, huh? No? It's true that it lacks a little sparkle. Oh, wait, we could customize them. Yeah, super, let's go. Okay, let's start by putting a little color. To draw a perfect circle, nothing better than a round jar and a textile marker pen, or a permanent marker. I think I'll go with a pretty heart. Start by finding the center and draw the shape of your choice, making sure that it is as symmetrical as possible. To add a touch of color, you can also use fabric paint. Wow! Now a little purple. For a more noticeable effect, choose contrasting colors. To decorate my heart, I chose a pretty bright pink. And for the second half, I used blue first. The idea is to create a fun and original pattern. Again, it is good to alternate the colors for more contrast. I wonder which of us will create the most beautiful set of clothes. I'm sure the choice won't be easy to make. My sister has a lot of taste. I'm sure she'll put a little color everywhere. I think it's pretty colorful like that. Let's work on the collar. To remove it, you can simply reverse the t-shirt and cut it by following the seam. Once done, I widen the opening by pulling a little on the fabric. I will also remove the sleeves in the same way. The t-shirt will surely look a lot different. Once the paint dries, you can create a fringe at the bottom of the t-shirt. To To do this, simply cut long and short slices by spacing them by about 1 centimeter. Then do the same in the back. Great! Finally, you just have to pull on each fringe to give it the desired bohemian look. Shoulders now. I first make small holes on each side of the seam. I do 12 on each shoulder. I then take a nice ribbon and I insert it into the eyelets starting from above near the collar. I cross it below and I make it come out in the second holes. Then I add a little touch of fantasy with these beautiful colored beads. I first choose a pink pearl that I put in the 2 ends of my ribbon. Then I repeat with a blue pearl and finally a purple one. I then insert my ribbons under before ending with a pretty bow on top. Wow! It is really nice. I only have the back left. For the shoulders, you can also make some openings if you prefer not to remove the sleeves. That's it, nothing's easier. After folding the t-shirts in 2, I make cuts from top to bottom, going from the widest to the narrowest. I then stretch the strips of fabric so that the fabric does not fray. Watch closely as I show you my technique on how to finish it up. I take the first strip and I pass the second one under the third, in the second, and so on until you reach the bottom. It's easy, and it looks awesome. To finish it up, I decide to shorten the t-shirt a bit by removing a slice at the bottom. That's it! It's time for the caps now. Choose a ribbon that matches the colors of your t-shirt. Use hot glue to apply it all around, on the edge. Add appliques that work well with your t-shirt to create your perfect look. I'm going to use felts to decorate underneath of my cap. You can use the same colors to reproduce the patterns you have drawn on your t-shirt. Wow! I'm sure my cap will be totally original. I only have the top left. Once you have applied all your decorations, your cap is ready. Or almost. Do you also like color? Don't forget to protect the other sections before adding paint. A little heart here. And a few lines there. Ta-damn! What do you think? Do you like it? I can't wait to see what my sister did with hers. It's time! Let's go! Oh, wow! A complete metamorphosis. I knew it would be colorful. I love the flower and the fringes. It is really beautiful. Hey, do you like what I did in the back? And on my shoulders? Look how cute! I drew this heart here and on my cap. I made another one right there. Let's go! Now it's time to play. And hop! Awesome! Batman isn't all that bad. What do you think, little sister? And you? Which set of clothes do you prefer? Write us a comment. See you soon! Bye!